Nestled in Henderson's prestigious Seven Hills community, this 14,000 square foot estate, designed by Pinnacle Architectural Studio, is a masterclass in structural drama and high-concept living. This 3-story residence bridges the gap between modern sculpture and a private amusement park. Architecturally, the home utilizes pocketing glass doors to completely dissolve the boundary between the clean interior lines and the rugged Nevada landscape. The design language is defined by gravity-defying elements, starting with the kitchen's striking 14-foot cantilevered island, backed by state-of-the-art Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. Anchoring the vertical layout is a custom glass elevator that doubles as a kinetic art piece, though it faces stiff competition from the property's most audacious engineering feat: a climate-controlled car lift that delivers your favorite vehicle directly to the second-floor owner's suite. Because why walk from the garage when your sports car can practically tuck you in at night? The lifestyle here is dialed up to a joyful, almost theatrical extreme. The owner's suite is less of a bedroom and more of a personal sanctuary, featuring a massive retractable skylight for automated stargazing. The ensuite bathroom boasts a steam shower with an astonishing 53 shower heads, an ideal setup for those who want to experience a localized monsoon before stepping out onto the heated deck. Entertainment is integrated into the very fabric of the architecture. A double-sided 145-inch Barco laser projection screen serves both the bedroom and the balcony, while downstairs hosts a 13-seat theater, a basketball court, a wine cellar, and a game room with a 22-foot patio projection system. Stepping outside via motorized sliders, the transition is seamless. The backyard is anchored by a 37,000-gallon infinity pool with custom glass tiling and a retractable television, framed by views of the Las Vegas Strip. Alongside a 9-hole miniature golf course, the outdoor kitchen features a teppanyaki grill, a pizza oven, and an ice cream machine, making reservations on the Strip feel entirely redundant. Ultimately, the estate reframes residential design not just as a place to live, but as a fully realized playground for the senses.